Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll be teaching you guys how to do your eyebrows today. Okay, I'll be getting my brush and I'll get my Anastasia brow pomade. I dip it in and then you can see there's a lot of product and I wipe it on my hand so I can make the brush smooth. Then I make a line underneath my brush. Then I brush it out and I fill it in. And I make small light strokes in the front. And then I brush it. Then I get my concealer brush and put some like concealer on my hand. All I do is clean it underneath. And I go with the blending brush and blend it out. And I go with my foundation stick and I like to clean it on top. And then I go with my brush and brush it out a bit more. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.